Hi lovelies, so we're doing 3 different water, ocean, mermaidy nails today. So I thought I would do a new take on my swimming pool nails, which seems to be like my biggest viewed videos. So this one, we're starting off with like the light turquoise base, and then I'm going in with a darker shade of turquoise, and we're just sort of doing random shapes all over the nail, so you can see sort of like they're completely different, and little ones, bigger ones. I hope the light's not too crap for you to see. It looks a bit pants, but yeah, so then we're going to go in with a darker turquoise inside those shapes. See what we're doing here. I will do my best to edit this so that you can perhaps see a bit better. Honestly, right, I've got an iPhone, what is it, 17 Pro Max, and honestly, I prefer my fucking camera from the bloody iPhone 11. Anyway, so I'm going over with some Born Pretty gel polish, jelly gel, because I wanted it to be a bit more turquoise. And then once we've cured that, we're going to go in with milky white, which, if you want to see my previous swimming pool nail videos, you don't actually need to get yourself a milky white polish. Just mix some white with some base coat. So then we're using base coat, and we're just dotting on, just in random pattern, like random places, without having cured the milky white gel polish or the white gel polish, whatever you're using, so that it sort of creates this sort of like blooming water, light on swimming pool, tropical water look. So once you have faffed with it all, then you cure, but not until, because otherwise it won't work. Hope everyone's doing all right. Sorry if you can hear the aircon. I'd be dying in here without it. So here we have 2 finished nails using that technique that I just showed you. Hope you like them. I am currently including them in a Little Mermaid set along with this nail too. We are doing sort of a porcelain sort of nail effect. I have just uploaded one of these videos, but this one's a bit better. So we're starting off with a white base, and then all you do is you just wanting to make the 3D effect, and then use a jelly gel polish over it. So mix in the acrylic, the clear acrylic, with the white gel paint, and draw on your shape. Give it a double cure. I always give acrylic a double cure just to be sure. And then yeah, we're going to go over with the jelly polish. But yeah, this is sort of like a super turquoisey vibe set. I'm just in the mood for turquoise, in the mood for sea, ocean. Even though I'm not going on a nice summer holiday this year, we're going to Wales. I've never been to Wales. I'm sure it's nice, but it's not the Maldives, is it? Or, Santorini, or any other tropical beach. But, I've got a 2-year-old now, so it is what it is. So once that double cured, I'm just going, because this is, if you can't tell, starfish. So we're drawing on the little bobbles on top of the starfish. I'm going to edit so that you can see this. It's ridiculous. And then we're going over with that same jelly gel polish from Born Pretty, and it just creates this like beautiful ceramic, did I say porcelain earlier? I don't know. So it's like, yeah, ceramic style, pretty. This next nail, however, is my favourite because it's literally just got like all my favourite colours. We're going to do a very pretty shell nail. But here I used my summer nail inspiration sheets. I will pop a link below if you want to have a look at them. But yeah, I used that for my inspiration. Just sort of shows you on screen what it contains. I've zoomed in a bit too much, but yeah, it's what it is. So this shell nail, we're starting with that milky white polish. Like I said before, you can do white gel polish mixed with base coat to make it as translucent as you want. And then we are using all these little colours here to sort of do like a marbly effect. This is like the most mermaid-ish shell you'll ever see in your life. Who did I see it from? Oh, I don't know how you say it. It's like Leader Barbera Nails on Instagram. Oh, yes. Such a good technique. So you just sort of like dabbing on. She does a bit better. She does it a lot better. But I wasn't trying to go for the exact same thing. So this is just sort of like, yeah. And then we have no white top coat because we're going to put some pretty chrome on there. If you're wondering about that little bee that was on my little colour palette there, that was how I made my own little gel sticker, which I could also pop in the description below, link how you can do that. So we're just chroming, and then we're going to use this wave liner gel, so it's just sort of makes it textured basically. And I'm going to use my ombre brush from Beetles, and yeah, we're just going to dab it on, make it just textured. It just does that shelly sort of vibe. Now I did want to build a gel on top of this, you know, to do the like middle streaks for the shells, but it just didn't work very well with this textured style, so I thought actually this looks fine. So I hope you liked them. Give me a like and subscribe. Give me a comment if you want any others doing. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye.